In this module, we are going to talk about gender equality. Gender equality does not mean men and women being the same. Rather, it means being equally fair to both men and women. Gender equality means men and women should enjoy equal socially valued goods, opportunities, economic resources, and rewards. But again, as I mentioned my previous modules, that in Pakistan, there is a special quota for women in all public sector jobs. There is a special quota for women in our legislatures, both in provincial and national assembly. So, if we are talking about that gender equality, but again with different types of flaws in it, how we can operationalize our theoretical framework in a given society? So, we need to understand that in each society there are certain requirements regarding those roles of the gender, and they are understood likely or accordingly. Traditional roles of women: cooking, cleaning, food preservation, spin and sew clothes, taking care for her children, raising their children, and raising vegetables and chickens. Their professional choices were confined to, like, teachers, nurses, servants, factory workers, and weavers. This is how, in few societies, they confine women to such roles. But it is not again, a final authority or a final word regarding the roles of women. It changes from society to society and community to community. Examples of gender inequality in different societies: access to education, right to divorce, domestic violence, professional obstacles, recreational opportunities, forbidden from driving. So these are the roles that you can say are, these are the values that you may see in different perspectives, that how sometimes women are deprived or their for their basic rights. Feminist movement. It refers to a series of campaigns for reforms on issues: reproductive rights, domestic violence, maternity leave, equal pay, right to vote, sexual harassment. Again, I would say that these feminist movements are in fact marginalizing the women rights. Maybe it's very strange for you students that how I can claim that it is all about feminist movements which are marginalizing women. Because through these movements, they first try to show women a weak individual. Without showing women a weak individual, they cannot have that movement successfully. So, usually, feminist movements based on taking international grants and other aids in the form of finances. So, they used to show women as a weak gender. So, this is what I believe, that such movements are the real reason behind the weak character of a woman in a given society. Achievements. As a result of feminist movement, women got the following rights: the right to initiate divorce proceedings, the right to have access to contraceptives, the right of abortion, the right to own property, the right to vote, more equitable wages. All these rights are positive and must be given to women and even to all other, genders, that they shouldn't be, deprived of their basic rights. This is how women should be bestowed with all these rights.